When you're vertical jigging, the only connection between you and the fish of a lifetime is your fishing line. And picking the right fishing line is key to hooking and landing more fish. Let's talk about the 5 things you want to look for in a vertical jigging line to give you the best chance of catching that fish of a lifetime. First thing you want to look for is you want a line with very, very low diameter. We're trying to cut the current, we're trying to stay vertical, and the thinner diameter a line is, the better it's going to be to cut the current, keep you vertical, and let you feel those fish. Second thing you want to look for is make sure that your line has no stretch. Again, we want that sensitivity. We want to be able to feel everything. Every time a fish sucks in that bait real subtly, we want to be able to feel that. And a no stretch fishing line gives you the sensitivity you need to feel those subtle bites. Third, we want good knot strength. The ability to tie a Palomar knot or a uni knot. My 2 favorite knots when I'm using braided line are Palomar knot and the uni knot, but we want good knot strength, high break strength. Those are both 100% knots, and by using a line that's very, very high rated, you can get good knot strength and not worry about breaking a knot when you have the fish of a lifetime on. Fourth, visibility is important. Staying vertical is key to jigging in heavy current, and we want to be able to see that fishing line below the heavy current in the top 6-8 inches of the river, and make sure we're vertical below that heavy current down to our jig on the bottom where the current is the slowest. Being able to use a high visibility line and see that line below the heavy current, that's a key to staying vertical. Vertical is the key to catching more fish. And lastly, we want a high break strength. I've been using this SX1 braid from Sunline. It has a 12-pound break strength, same diameter as 6-pound Berkley Fireline. So we get more break strength with the braid with the same diameter as Fireline. Fireline's a great choice, but my favorite is this SX1 braid from Sunline. So when you're shopping for a fishing line for vertical jigging, remember these 5 points to get the right fishing line. Low diameter, no stretch, great knot strength, high visibility color, either green or yellow, and high break strength. 8, 10, or 12-pound test in that low diameter is going to get you the right fishing line. Buy the right fishing line for jigging in heavy current. You're going to catch a lot more fish because you can feel those subtle bites, stay vertical, and the more bites you get, the better chance you have of catching that fish of a lifetime.